Hi, it's Alison with The Law, and I am here with Dr. Tarek Riad, the Diamond sponsor of Dubai Arbitration Week. And I'm so happy to interview you, and it's so lovely to have you here.
Thank you very much.
What does it mean to be a sponsor of Dubai Arbitration Week, and why did you choose to do that?
Well, two things. There is a lot. I mean, we're heavily involved with the Dubai Center, so it was very normal for us to be the sponsors of the Dubai Arbitration Week. Well, really, the advantage is exposure, but more for us is to be involved with DIAC in all its events, especially in that major event, which is the #1 event in the whole year.
And why do you think that Dubai Arbitration Week stands above and beyond, if I may be so cheeky to say, other arbitration weeks?
Well, it is the nature of the animal. Look at the number of lawyers located in Dubai. Look at the many different jurisdictions. You speak about common law, you speak about civil law, Indian lawyers, Egyptian lawyers, German lawyers. So the reason for this, with this number of lawyers in the community, it's very understandable it becomes a major event. And look at the numbers too. The number of lawyers practicing international law or practicing arbitration in Dubai is quite large as compared to any other jurisdiction. So as a result, the event is major. Plus, it started quite a long time ago. Plus, whether we like it or not, Dubai is the center of the Gulf. It is the center investment of the Gulf. So as a result, an event in Dubai is a major investment. It's a major event.
So my understanding is you have a bit of history. Can you explain that, what your role was previously?
Yes, for about 12 years, I was the chairman of the executive committee of the Dubai International Arbitration Center. I was once involved during all that 12 years to promote DIAC, to bring it from a local center, local center, to an international well-regarded center. And I'm very glad that after my tenure in about 3 years ago, that the center has continued and even has expanded. I think the center is doing much even better than what it was doing during the time that Dr. Habib Al-Mullah and Dr. Habib was the head of board of trustees. I was the chairman of the executive committee and member of the board of trustees. We did a lot of effort to promote the center. We were successful, and I'm glad to say that the efforts today by the current team has also promoted the center further than what we did.
Hands down, I think everyone is in awe of where it's gotten to. I mean, 140 events this week is amazing.
Of course.
And what are the trends that you're seeing coming out of the events this week? Like, what are the firms talking about? What are the key trends we're seeing in arbitration?
Well, the beauty of the 140 events, there isn't an issue not covered. I mean, we can't say there is a trend towards a certain direction. What we can say, it's like a bazaar. Anything in the field of arbitration you're thinking of, actually even in the field of law, you're thinking of, there is a highly specialized event by a highly specialized team of lawyers.
That's true.
So the beauty of it is the number of events and the different topics that they are all covering at the same time, which gives a great overall view of the arbitration field.
And is your firm having an event this week?
Yes, we're having an event after tomorrow, and we're talking about the role of inside counsel, the lawyers of the firm, of a company,
yes,
in running its business, running its legal affairs.
Oh, wow,
How
okay.
should an internal counsel in a company run its internal affairs? How should it deal with outside counsel? How
Yes.
should they operate? How should they interact? And how can they do it in a successful fashion?
Obviously, that's an important topic to any in-house counsel, so that sounds like something I think a lot of people want to go to. If I have a bit of a fun question for people who I'm interviewing. If there's a lot of foreign people who come over to Dubai for this week, where would you advise them to go for dinner?
Actually, that's one of the most difficult questions.
Yeah. Well, I don't know.
I've got, imagine.
Anywhere, really?
Well, I like the Gacho Grill. The Gacho Grill, it's an international chain.
Yeah.
They have a very nice restaurant, the DIFC.
Yeah.
I like it very, very much.
I like it too. It's a good choice. Thank
And
you
also,
so much.
just to close, one of the best things about this event is seeing so many friends.
Yes.
I mean, the interaction is really an important part of it. A lot of friends that you miss and gives you an opportunity, as I'm now looking at one of them.
Yeah. I'll see you at Guy Show Grill then.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.